Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us see the prove that problems in matrices. If A is a matrix given and B is another matrix given, show that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. First let us find the left hand side. Find AB product. After that we have to take the transpose. So AB equal to A is the given matrix 1 2 1 2 minus 1 1 into B is also given matrix 2 minus 1 minus 1 4 0 2. Now we have to multiply these two. We use the method row by column method. Take the first row, multiply with first column. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 1 into 0, 0. Next multiply first row into second column. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, plus 2 into 4, 8, plus 1 into 2, 2. This is first row answer. Next take second row and multiply the columns. Second row into first column. 2 into 2, 4, plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 into 0, 0. Next second row, second column. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4. Plus 1 into 2, 2. So this is the multiplication method. Now this is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 1 plus 8, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 1, 5, minus 2 minus 4, minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. So this is AB. We have to take transpose. We know that transpose means we have to interchange rows and columns. Therefore, AB transpose equal to interchange rows and columns. That means this first row 0, 9, write it as first column. Second row 5 minus 4, write it as second column. So this is AB whole transpose. This is left hand side, so take it as equation 1. Now we have to find the right hand side. In right hand side we have B transpose into A transpose. So already A, B given matrices, just take transpose, after that multiply. First B transpose. So this is B, taking transpose, interchange rows and columns. This first row 2 minus 1 is in first column. Second row minus 1 4 is second column. Third row 0 2 is third column. So this is B transpose. Similarly A transpose equal to this A matrix interchange rows into columns. This first row 1 2 1 is in first column. Second row 2 minus 1 1 is second column. So this is A transpose. Now we have to multiply these two. So B transpose into A transpose equal to B transpose is 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 4 2, and A transpose is 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 1. We have to multiply this. The product of the matrices, we follow the same method, row by column method. Take first row, multiply first column. 2 into 1, 2, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 0 into anything, 0. Next, first row, second column. 2 into 2, 4, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, plus 0 into anything, 0. This is first row. Next, take second row and multiply the columns. Second row, first column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus 4 into 2, 8, plus 2 into 1, 2. Next, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, plus 2 into 1, 2. So this is second row. Now this is equal to 2 minus 2, 0. 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 1 plus 8, 7, plus 2, 9. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. This is right hand side answer. Take it as equation 2. Now see the answers 1 and 2. Both are same, 0, 5, 9, minus 4. Here also 0, 5, 9, minus 4. So therefore from 1 and 2, AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Similarly, next problem, A matrix, B matrix given, we have to show that A square plus B square equal to I. A square means A matrix into A matrix, because we cannot directly square a matrix. It is a product only. So A matrix into A matrix. Similarly, B square means B matrix into B matrix. And right hand side, I means identity matrix. That is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now for the left hand side, first let us find A square. That means A matrix into A matrix. So A matrix is given cos theta 0, 0, cos theta into again cos theta 0, 0, cos theta. We follow the product of matrix method, row by column method. So take first row, multiply first column. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, plus 0 into 0, 0. Next, first row, second column. Cos theta into 0 is 0, plus 0 into cos theta is 0, because 0 multiplied by any number is 0 only. This is first row answer. Take second row and multiply the columns. Second row, first column, 0 into anything, 0, plus again 0 into anything, 0. Second row, second column, 0 into 0, 0, plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So this is second row. Now this is equal to cos square theta, 0, 0, cos square theta. This is A square. Same like that we can find B square. B square equal to B matrix into again B matrix. Given B matrix is sin theta 0, 0, sin theta into again sin theta 0, 0, sin theta. We have to multiply these two. We follow row by column method. take first row first column sin theta into sin theta sin square theta plus 0 into 0 0. First row second column sin theta into 0 0 plus 0 into sin theta 0. So this is first row. Take second row first column 0 into sin theta 0 plus sin theta into 0 0. Next second row second column 0 into 0 0 plus sin theta into sin theta sin square theta. So this is second row answer. Now this is equal to sin square theta 0 0 sin square theta. So this is b square. Now we have to prove that a square plus b squared equal to I. So let us find a square plus b square equal to, this is a square cos square theta 0 0 cos square theta plus this is b square sin square theta 0 0 sin square theta. And we know how to add the two matrices. We have to add the corresponding elements. That means we have to add first and first element cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next we have to add second and second elements 0 plus 0 0. Next third and third elements 0 plus 0 0. And finally add fourth and fourth elements cos square theta plus sin square theta. And we know the trigonometry formula cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So using that formula, this is equal to 1 0 0 1. And this is nothing but identity matrix. In this step itself, if you look at the right hand side, we have to prove that I, that is identity matrix. So definitely we must get 1 0 0 1. So in this step itself, see the right hand side and remember we have to get identity matrix, that is nothing but 1 0 0 1. So easily we can write this step. This is equal to I. Next problem, A matrix given 3 1 minus 1 2. We have to show that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0 matrix. 0 matrix is denoted as O. Here I2 means identity matrix in order 2 cross 2. That is 2 rows 2 columns. That is nothing but 1 0 0 1. So first we have to find A square, that is A matrix into A matrix. Next minus 5 into A, minus 5 multiply inside the matrix A plus 7 I2. I2 is identity matrix 1 0 0 1 equal to, right hand side O means 0 matrix, that is 0 0 0 0. First A square equal to A matrix into again A matrix, that is 3 1 minus 1 2 into again 3 1 minus 1 2. We follow row by column method. So take first row multiply first column 3 into 3 9, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Next first row second column 3 into 1 3 plus 1 into 2 2. This is first row. Next take second row first column minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Next second row second column minus 1 into 1 minus 1, plus 2 into 2, 4. This is second row. Now this is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. So this is a square. Next we have to find minus 5a. So minus 5 into A matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. This minus 5 multiply inside all the numbers. That is minus 5 into 3 minus 15. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10. Next we have to find 7i. 7i equal to 7 into identity matrix. That is 1, 0, 0, 1. This 7 also multiply inside. 7 into 1, 7. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7. Now take left hand side a square minus 5a plus 7i2 and just add all these three matrices. So a square is 8, 5, minus 5, 3 plus minus 5a is this matrix. We multiplied minus also inside. So add the matrix plus minus 15 minus 5, 5 minus 10 plus 7i2 is 7, 0, 0, 7. So we have got all the three terms as matrices here. Just add these three matrices. And remember, we have to get 0 matrix right hand side. So addition of matrix means we have to add corresponding elements. So straight away we can add all the three matrices. It's very easy only because we know the answer. We must get 0 matrix. So we can write the answer immediately 0, 0, 0, 0 and just check it. Adding the first elements 8 minus 15 minus 7 plus 7, 0. Adding second elements 5 minus 5, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Adding third elements minus 5 plus 5, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Adding the fourth elements 3 minus 10 minus 7 plus 7, that is 0. So this 0 matrix can be represented as O. So this is right hand side. So we proved a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to O. Thanks for watching.